Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming gear type, module, and tooth count so teeth mate correctly. Once confirmed, deburr and clean both gears thoroughly. Mount the pinion on its shaft and secure the gear carrier in the chassis. Make sure bearings are seated. Now place a 0, 1, 0, 3 mm gauge or shim between the gears and slowly bring the pinion into light contact. You want even contact along the face, not edge only. Tighten set screws gradually while holding mesh. Once the initial mesh is in, rotate the gears slowly by hand and observe contact across the tooth face. Uneven contact means depth or tilt needs adjustment. Loosen the mount screws a touch to allow fine movement. Shift the gear until roughly 1/3 of the face shows consistent engagement. Apply a thin film of marking compound and rotate several revolutions to highlight high spots. Remove material or shim as needed. Make incremental changes, recheck. You finish by setting final backlash to the manufacturer spec, commonly 0, 1, 0, 5 mm under torque. Once satisfied, torque mount screws to recommended values and run the drivetrain slowly under light load to seat everything. Apply a thin film of appropriate grease to tooth faces, enough to wipe but not soak, then test at normal speed. If you hear grinding or observe excess heat, stop. Loosen mount slightly. Rerun the marking compound test to pinpoint misalignment, correct, and repeat until smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.